In today's video, you will learn how to get rid of the burnt smell inside your microwave with a homemade recipe. Do you have a microwave at home? Do you use it frequently? If you are always using your microwave, then you know how important it is to always keep it clean, right? We recently published a video where we taught you how to clean your microwave using lemon and vinegar. Did you watch it? If you have ever made the mistake of setting the wrong time to heat something and ended up burning your meal inside the microwave, you know that the appliance gets a bad smell. To help you solve this issue, we have this easy trick with lemons. First, pour a cup of water into a heat-resistant glass bowl. Add the lemon juice and peels to the bowl and take it to the microwave in the highest setting for 3 to 5 minutes or until the water boils. After that, wait 2 minutes before opening the microwave. This part is important because keeping it closed allows the steam to soften the grease inside, with an added bonus of getting a lemony perfume in your microwave and kitchen. Isn't it cool? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Carefully remove the water bowl and clean the inside of your microwave with a damp and warm sponge. The burnt smell, grease, spots, and food residues will all easily come out thanks to the lemon. Attention! If the water is too hot, it may explode your bowl. If you don't wait the 2 minutes before opening the microwave, you may burn yourself and not get the expected results. Set a timer to avoid any accidents. Did you like the idea of using lemon to clean your microwave and get rid of smells? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.